The Art of Classification. Unmasking Neural Networks Sorting Hat. Welcome, data enthusiasts, to this lecture on the fascinating world of classification in neural networks. Today, we'll delve into the magic behind sorting data points into distinct categories, using the intricate web of interconnected neurons. Buckle up, and prepare to witness the power of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is classification in neural networks? Imagine you have a mountain of pictures, each showcasing a majestic animal. A neural network can be trained to sift through them, learning the unique features of lions, zebras, giraffes, and the like. When presented with a new picture, it analyzes the pixels, textures, and shapes, ultimately assigning it to the rightful animal bin. This process of assigning data points to predefined categories is the essence of classification. But hold on, the world of categorization isn't just black and white. There are different types of classification tasks. Binary classification, the simplest form, where data points fall into exactly two categories, like spam or not spam, cat or dog. Multi-class classification. Here, the options expand. Our animal kingdom example falls under this category, where each species gets its own designated bin. Multi-label classification. Sometimes, a single data point can belong to multiple categories. Imagine tagging an image as beach, sunset, and palm trees. Now, where do these powerful sorting machines find their use? The applications are as diverse as the data itself. Image recognition, facial recognition software, self-driving cars identifying objects, medical image analysis, neural networks are behind the scenes, guiding these feats. Spam filtering. Keeping your inbox clean is partly thanks to classification algorithms that identify unwanted emails. Fraud detection. Financial institutions use neural networks to analyze transactions and flag suspicious activity. Recommendation systems. Ever wonder why Netflix suggests just the right movie? Classification algorithms learn your preferences and recommend similar content. But how do these networks actually learn to classify? The process involves training data, feeding the network labeled examples, like pictures of animals with their species tags. Network architecture, choosing the right network structure, with hidden layers and neuron connections that act as the sorting machinery. Training algorithm, an iterative process where the network adjusts its internal weights and biases, learning to differentiate between categories. Evaluation, testing the network on unseen data to assess its accuracy and generalize its knowledge. The world of classification in neural networks is vast and ever-evolving. We've just scratched the surface, but hopefully, this lecture has sparked your curiosity about how these intelligent systems are shaping our world. Remember, the next time you see a self-driving car navigate traffic or receive a perfectly tailored book recommendation, you're witnessing the power of neural networks mastering the art of classification. Do you have any questions about specific aspects of classification or its applications? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world together.